Hello, welcome. Today I'll be teaching you how to make this lovely makeup box, or you can also use it as a normal hand purse. Okay, so using this lovely material for this work. The measurement is 10 inches wide and 13 inches as the length. The length here will be 13 inches. So the other materials I'll be using, I'll be making use of this zip cloth. I'm making use of this zip cloth, zip head, and also your bag rope. So watch as we join this. This is a very simple purse. You can use it to put your makeup things, and also you can also use it to carry your phone. So just watch as I join it together. This side is measured 10 inches. I'll be attaching my zip cloth to this part and also this part. So I'll get my zip cloth and I'll fold it like this. I'll turn it upside down like this. I'll place it like this. Then I'll put it on my machine and sew it. Please, if your machine is not sewing leather material, the only thing you can do is you add machine oil on your material, then you sew. Then you place it here too. Here too you sew, or you can remove it. You can remove it like this and place it here. You also sew too. So when you are done sewing it like this, the next thing is to fold your material here like this. You top stitch. You fold it like this. You top stitch on the leather material. You do that on both sides. So I'm done top stitching. The next thing is to fold it together like this, and I'll be attaching my zip head to both sides. I'll fix one on this side and fix the other side. I'm done attaching my zip to the bag. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to turn my bag, my purse. I'll be turning it to the wrong side. So after turning your purse to the back like this, you get the center point here. You notch it. You notch the other side too. Then you fold it into two like this. Make sure the tip here meets the zip cloth here. You fold it into two like this. The midpoint you notch too. You notch it. You go to the other side. The midpoint too. You notch. After notching, you open it up. Then you open your purse like this. You open it like this. You make sure that the zip cloth here meets the middle notch. You notch like this. Both of them meet each other like this. Then this side, you know you already notched this part. You push it inside so that it will meet the middle of the zip and the other point. So you push it and make sure it gets to the middle here. To the middle of the zip cloth. So when you put it at the middle here like this, you use something to hold it down. You hold it down. You turn to the other side. You turn to the other side too. You pull. You pull. To this part and you fold. So when you get here too, you hold it down. So the next thing is to sew. You sew it straight and sew it down. So the same thing you did here, you also repeat it to this side. Exactly what you did here, you also repeat it to this side. You place the zip cloth here, you pull this one to the middle, you fold it like this, pull it to the middle, you fold it like this, then you hold. You turn to the other side, you pull this one to the middle too, then you hold. So you sew too, just the way you sew this part straight, you sew it straight. So after sewing this straight, the next thing to do is to trim. You trim out this zip, the remaining zip, you trim it out like this. You trim it out. So you get your bag rope, you cover this part. Please, I want to thank all my returning subscribers and all my subscribers. Thank you so much. I love you all. Thanks so much. Please, if you know you have not subscribed, please, I want you to hit the subscribe button and also the like button. Thank you. So you use your bag rope to cover up this rough edges. You use it to cover it up. You repeat the same with this other side too. So the next thing to do now is, after covering the both side with my bag rope, I'm done covering it. So the next thing to do is to open the purse like this and turn it to the right side. I'm going to turn it to the right side. I'll open it up and then gently I'll pull and turn it to the right side. So you do it gently. You do it gently. So this is how the purse look like. This is the end of the purse. You can put your makeup things in it, even your phone. You can also put your phone to it inside. And zip it. This is it. You can use this as a souvenir for a wedding, burial, or anything. This is it. This is the look. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.